Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to learn accountancy important questions. So watch the whole video to learn this all important content. And if you watch our complete series on this particular topic, you will never find another content for accountant questions. So by not wasting your valuable time, let's get started. And comment me how many of the answers you got correct. And don't forget to leave your valuable comment. Accountancy important questions part 4. And if you haven't watched our previous parts on this particular topic, please click on the I button. And if you found our efforts helpful, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Question number 1. What is customer value? Option C. Ratio between the customer's perceived benefits and the resources used to obtain these benefits. Question number 2. Any written evidence in support of business transaction is called. Option C. Voucher. Question number 3. A process of accounting that recognizes the impact of transactions on the financial statements in the time periods when revenues and expenses occur instead of when cash is received or disturbed is called dash basis. Option A. Accrual basis. Question number 4. Real accounts records. Option B. Dealings with commodities. Question number 5. Dash is a residual interest in the assets after deducting liabilities. Option C. Equity. Question number 6. Dash is a brief explanation to a journal entry given below the general entry within brackets. Option D. Narration. Question number 7. Preliminary expenses are an example of. Option C. Deferred revenue. Question number 8. Petty cash book is prepared to. Option D. All of the above. Question number 9. In the double entry system, every business transaction affects. Option C. Two accounts only. Question number 10. A bank reconciliation statement is a. Option D. Statement prepared by the customer. Question number 11. Revenue is said to be realized when. Option C. Cash is received. Question number 12. Discount allowed on the issue of shares is an example of. Option B. Capital expenditure. Question number 13. Repair incurred for using a second-hand car purchased recently. Option A. Capital expenditure. Question number 14. Sales are equal to. Option A. Cost of goods sold plus gross profit. Question number 15. Interest in drawing is regarded as. Option C. Gain for the business. Question number 16. The process by which data pertaining to an individual is collected from all the individual's financial accounts is termed as. Option C. Account aggregation. Question number 17. Which of the following has the highest cost of capital? Option B. Equity shares. Question number 18. The cost of debt capital is calculated on the basis of. Option B. Capital. Question number 19. Which is called as dividend ratio method? Option A, dividend yield method. Question number 20. Depreciation is incorporated in cash flows because it. Option B, because it reduces tax liability. Question number 21. Fixed cost per unit decreases when. Option A, production volume increases. Question number 22. Cost of production report is a. Option B, production process report. Question number 23. Opportunity cost is the best example of. Option C, relevant cost. Question number 24. The cost expended in the past that cannot be retrieved on product or service is. Option B, sunk cost. Question number 25. A typical factory overhead is. Option B, compensation of plant manager. Question number 26. The components of the prime cost are. Option A, direct material plus direct labor plus other direct cost. Question number 27. Rent paid, salary paid are which type of expenditure? Option B, revenue expenditure. Question number 28. Company's profit divided among shareholder is. Option A, dividend. Question number 29. Which of the following is a financial asset? Option B, accounts receivable. Question number 30. Profit prior to incorporation is transferred to. Option C, capital reserve. Thank you everyone. I hope you clearly understand these questions. So learn, practice and revise them and stay active. We are going to upload a full series of these questions, and if you found our efforts helpful, please support us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to watch our other parts on this particular topic. So that's it for today. Have a nice day and thank you so much for watching.